Good morning. I arrived yesterday to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It's the largest city in South Dakota. So I would like to show you the waterfalls and how beautiful it's over here. So I will be not talking a lot, but I will be showing you. Okay? So that's how it's look like. So I will walk with you slowly. The people, they're tourists. And if I will have somebody to talk to how they like it over here, I will do it. But I think so. That's the one of the best places, the best looking places so far. I was running yesterday about these rocks, and it was so fun because my shoes, they are gripping very well on that rocks, even it looks slippery. And I don't know how. See, the canyons was the water for millions of years was forming this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I just want to show you from the bottom. It's anywhere I look, it's beautiful. And I hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. I am so glad I come to this city because I met Jim on his shop where I did video with him, and they helped me very, very, very much. So when you are in a Sioux city in South Dakota, go in and you have a problem with the car, especially with transmission, because he's the specialist on transmission. Go and see him. And between that, you enjoy the view. That's the park where I am, and hopefully you will like it very much. So So what do you think? It's beautiful, isn't it? So I will move some other place now, and I will be with you again in the new place. Bye.